Motions of the Earth. Exercise D. Short answer type questions. D1. Explain the meaning of the angle of inclination. Why is it important? Answer. D1. Earth's axis of rotation is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees relative to its orbital plane around the Sun. The tilt in the axis of the Earth is called its angle of inclination. Now, its importance: it causes change in seasons and also determines the length of the day and night. That's it. Question D2. What are the main effects of the Earth's revolution? Sorry. What are the main effects of the Earth's rotation? Answer D2. Effects of the Earth's rotation. The rotation of the Earth causes the day and the night. Number 2. The speed of the Earth's rotation has affected the shape of the Earth, which leads to the flattening of the Earth at the poles and bulging at the equator. Number 3. Rotation affects the movement of water in the oceans. Number 4. It also changes the direction of the wind. Question D3. Give the main effects of the Earth's revolution. The main effects of the Earth's revolution. Number 1. It determines the primary distribution of the Sun's energy throughout the Earth. Number 2. It results in occurrence of different seasons throughout the Earth. Number 3. The variation in the lengths of day and night throughout the Earth. D4. What is meant by leap year? Answer. The Earth takes 365 days and approximately 6 hours to complete a revolution. But for convenience, we consider that a year consists of 365 days. The 6 hours that are ignored make a day over a period of 4 years. This one day is added to that year in the month of February. Therefore, after every 4 years, February has 29 days, and that year is known as leap year. D5. Why do the poles experience 6 months day and 6 months night? Answer D5. The Earth is tilted on its axis, because of which very poor sunlight is allowed to reach the North and South Pole. When the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun, it experiences continuous day light for 6 months, and when the pole is tilted on the other side, it experiences continuous night for 6 months. D6. What would happen if the Earth stops rotating? Answer D6. Life would not be possible on Earth if it stops rotating. The phenomena of day and night would disappear. Portion of the Earth facing the Sun would experience continuous sunlight and warmth, while the portion away from sunlight would experience night and low temperature for eternity. Thus, extremes of temperature would make Earth inhospitable and unsuitable to live.